Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. My name is Rachel, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys how I did my eye makeup. And what I use is the Revolution makeup palettes, eyeshadow palettes, and Max Reload. Very pretty, $18 at Ulta. So grab your snacks, grab your Starbucks drinks, and let's get started. So I have my eyebrows ready. I'm just gonna prep my eyelids, and I'm gonna go again and use the Revolution Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna do this all over my eyelids, and I thought this was a little too thick for the under eye, but actually it's quite nice. A very coverage for correcting too. So I think this little concealer is so worth it. I'm really liking it so far. Bringing this all the way up. Okay, now that my eyelids are prepped, now I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna set it just slightly. Actually, no, I'm not gonna set it. I'm gonna go jump right into the palette. And the first time I used this, I was very struggling with a certain color, so I want to give this a try one more time. I didn't like the video that I recorded. It was too much noise going on in the background. You couldn't really hear me. So if I didn't like the way I came out in the video and the sound, like, I'm not gonna bother to post it. So I'm just gonna delete that video and then try to record a new eye look. So I'm just gonna grab this nude one right here. And I'm just gonna make that as my, I'm just gonna set that under my eyes. Like my setting. And then now I'm gonna go in with this brown and this one. We're gonna darken it up, and then we're gonna do a cut crease. Like half a cut crease. But you guys will see what I'm doing. You guys we'll see. So go ahead and just grab that brown that I mentioned. It doesn't have names. Follow the crease of my eye. I'm actually liking, I think maybe it was my brush that I was struggling with last time. I'm using, I don't even know where this is. Because last time it was coming out very patchy, and actually it's not anymore. So I definitely think it was my brush. This is way better. But I am gonna go with the dark color, and that's the one that I was struggling a lot with. It was just not a good charcoal dark color at all. So now we're gonna just darken it just a little bit. So we're gonna go in with this dark charcoal color, and it looks like that. It looks pretty dark. I darken it. I'm just gonna go back. So you just want to go back and forth with the black and the brown until you find your desired color. If you don't want to go too dark, if you just want to go just a little bit. We're just gonna go out for a brunch. I wanted to wear some green in me, but I don't have anything. And it's kind of cold outside. It's only like 35 degrees today in Chicago, so I wonder how today's gonna be, because not a lot of people are going out. And the parade has been canceled. A lot of things have been canceled basically for the city. So now I'm gonna cut crease. So we're just gonna do half here and then finish right before we get to the dark part. And I'm thinking of using the e.l.f. concealer just because it's so nice. And I think it'll be much easier to cut crease. In my last video I mentioned that I have a lazy eye. Like, one of them hides and the other one doesn't hide, so it's kind of hard to It's not hard. It looks weird when I do sometimes cut creases because it's not even. It doesn't even out. So I need to play with my eyelids. So I'm just gonna go like that and see where it hits. And this is where I'm just gonna cut. This is the part where like I hold my breath. Like, you better not mess it up, girl. And now that you cut crease your eyes, now we're gonna go back with the palette. And I'm gonna go in. So for the first shade, we're gonna go in with this white. And it's gonna go right here. We're gonna go like a whitish to yellow. It's gonna look so pretty. We're gonna continue, and I'm gonna go in with this. Yes. Time definitely like it way more now. I'm telling you, the first time I got it, I was almost disappointed. I was like, $18 and these shadows are driving me crazy. Like, why? But I think it was my palette, you guys. My palette. I think it was my brushes that I was struggling. So now we're just gonna grab the same brush you use for the dark brown, and we're gonna start just blending in the corners together right here, so it doesn't look like a straight line. You want to blend it in. Ooh, so I really like how this came out. So now I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of mascara. And for mascara, of course, I'm using the same mascara. And now for foundation, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. And this is amazing. This is definitely full coverage. I've been loving their hydration foundation they just came out with. But today, I want to go full coverage. Choose the full coverage tonight. I'm just going to go all over.
Like that, going onto my neck.
Sometimes I feel like I'm way too rough. When I put foundation, I'm just like beating my face. And now I'm gonna go with contouring. So we're gonna go with like a contour, and this is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. Like I mentioned this before, this dries pretty fast, so you definitely have to work fast. That's why I just don't like denting it in my forehead, because then it just doesn't come out as nice. So I like to grab a brush and then just tap. And you guys, I'm still learning how to contour my big ass nose that I have. That's why I don't like to get too into detail of what I do, because I have no idea. Sometimes it doesn't even look nice. And I'm just like trying my best. So I'm just gonna grab the concealer from an e.l.f. Good. I'm just gonna clean right here. Now we're gonna go with setting and baking. So I'm gonna set it with the Huda Beauty, and this is the banana bread, and also I'm gonna bake with this because it is meant for baking, but I'm gonna set my face with this also. Like, damn girl, how many products do you need to use? A lot, girl, a lot. But again, this is not my everyday makeup, so especially I don't like to use this every day because it's quite pricey. It definitely gives you like this like soft effect. So now I'm gonna go in with our blush. Oh my god. I'm gonna go in with our bronzer, and this is the Maybelline. A little bit on my forehead. So now for my lips, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Trendsetter lip liner. This one's very dark, but it's okay. And then on top, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe, and this is the liquid liner in True Story, which is my favorites. Like, this is probably the 4th or 5th time I buy this liquid lipstick because I use it every day. And now when the liquid lipstick dries, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe. This is all Morphe lip, the first base. So this is the very matte lipstick. I'm gonna swatch it here, and it's so pretty, especially if you mix it in like how I'm doing it. This is like a nude, but it looks great when you mix it in with a lip liner or a liquid lipstick. This is fine, but I want it just a little bit lighter for tonight. And then you just want to start patting motions. And yeah, and I'm just gonna go in with my liner just at the bottom, just so you can see the lip liner a little bit more. Yes. Cool. So now for lashes, I still struggle putting on lash strips. So I got these, actually they're called Cala 3D Fox Mink lashes, and I got this in Marshall's for $4, you guys. They look really nice. Look, glue I'm using is the Kiss glue. So my lashes are on. It took me a little while. I did have to cut them at the ends, but they look cute. And then, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna apply some false lashes underneath my lashes. Just to brighten the under eye. Oh. I'm gonna use this one. Look, I'm almost done. When I hit pan, I gotta buy another one. And that completes my video. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, dame un like. And if you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.